How to restore deleted photos from iCloud to iPhone? Here's how to do it. First, open the Photos app on your iPhone. Tap on Album. Scroll down and tap the Recently Deleted album under Utilities. If your deleted photos are there, tap Select in the top right corner. Choose the photos you want to recover, then tap Recover. Confirm by tapping Recover Photos, and they'll be restored to your photos library. If the photos aren't in the recently deleted album, don't worry. If you use iCloud Photos, you can also check whether they're still syncing from iCloud. Open the Settings app on your iPhone and tap your Apple ID at the top. Next, tap on iCloud. Then tap on Photos. If you don't see the option to turn on Sync This iPhone, or you're unable to enable it because your iCloud storage is full, you'll need to free up iCloud storage or upgrade your iCloud plan before iCloud Photos can sync again. Wait a few minutes while your photos sync from iCloud to your device. If you deleted the photos more than 30 days ago, they are usually removed permanently from iCloud and can't be restored through the recently deleted album. If you're trying to recover photos from an older iCloud backup, you'll need to erase your iPhone and restore it from that backup. To do this, go to the main setting page. Tap on General, scroll down, and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, and choose Erase All Content and Settings. During setup, select Restore from iCloud Backup. Sign in with your Apple ID and choose the backup that contains your deleted photos. Keep in mind that restoring from an iCloud backup replaces your current data with the data from that backup, so back up any recent files first if needed. And that's it. That's how you can restore deleted photos from iCloud to your iPhone. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips, tricks, and how-to tutorials.